Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to go fishing on my 1-hour lunch break. It's a little bit rainy today, but we're going to hit the Boise River, get in about 30 minutes worth of fishing before I have to head back to work and punch back in. So that's what we're doing in this video. Come along. So I made it down here to the Boise River. I actually parked at Joe's Crab Shack, and I'm going to throw a line in here for the next 30 minutes or so till I have to go back to work. I'm going to start off with just some normal night crawlers, worms, but I might throw on a rooster tail a little bit later on. We'll see how it goes, but let's give it a cast. So I just caught this beautiful little 8-inch rainbow trout. Just a beautiful little fish. On my second or third cast. And he got my whole worm. But yeah, look at that beautiful fish. Beautiful colors, beautiful spots. Grateful to catch him. Just down here in downtown Boise. On the Boise River, using just a worm. Man, what a beautiful trout. Just a beautiful trout. Grateful to catch him. So that's it for this video. I gotta head back to work and punch back in. I caught that one beautiful little 8-inch rainbow trout, and my last 2 casts I got hits, wasn't able to bring them in, but if I had more time I would have caught more fish. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. And that was me fishing the Boise River on my 1-hour lunch break. Thanks again, and we'll catch you on the next video.